Hello. So we are coming to enjoy the snacks we got from the market. This is the achumo. Let's open it and see how it is, how it looks like. That's how it's shaped, very round, and it's made of flour. Let's eat some. Let's eat some and see. Let's break it this way. It's very hard and it has sugar and salt. I think the sugar is moderate. It's nice and very crispy. It's very hard. This is achum. That's what we got from the market. Some of the snacks in Nzema. It's called achum. This is it. Yeah. Let's get the next snack. I think I have to have another bite. I hope you hear the sound. It's very crunchy. Yes, I'm really enjoying it. It's been long I took some, so you're invited. Have a bite too. Good. This is you can have a bite. Okay. So yeah, let's get to the next snack we got from the market. Maybe I'll continue eating this one after the video. If you want to have a share of it, come to my house. I'll give you. Okay. The next one is this. It's called domoji. Domoji. This is it. It's made of sugar and ginger. There's a lot of ginger inside, so I think the sugar is melted and then it's used to do this. So there's a little ginger and there's sugar and then water. Yeah. So let's taste it. It's been over 20 years I took some of this and I really miss it. So today when I got it, I said let me buy it and enjoy it. You are invited. Take. Have a bite. Okay, let's drink it together. You are not here with me, so now let me drink it for you. Okay. It's very hot. The ginger inside makes it very hot. I don't know whether they added pepper, but I think the ginger is very hot. It's very good for a hot afternoon. Sometimes you can drink it with bread, biscuit, or maybe let me add it to the snack, the actual I bought. Take a bite and then you drink a little. This is the moji, the real one, the real taste I wanted to have is what I'm having today, and I really love it. If anytime you visit somewhere around the Nzema area, you can look for one. It's very nice. Yeah. Okay. Let me put it down and go to the next snack. We'll continue after the video. I need to complete this because I really miss it. You're invited. This is it. Okay. I think I've taken half of it. Okay. Let's go to the next snack. Okay, so the next is this. It's made of yogurt. It's made of yogurt and it has some particles inside. I don't know what is inside. I'll find out what is inside there, what actually is inside and what you know. But it's made of yogurt. And it tastes like vanilla. They call it dege. You mostly see it. I think the French people do it. Yeah. It's also nice. I got two of it. One has some black things inside and this is it. And then the other one I bought two. The other one is without that black thing. So it's called dege. That one too tastes like yogurt. And it has vanilla. There is sugar inside, so I think yogurt with vanilla. The smell of vanilla. It's very nice. It has sugar inside. It's very sweet. Okay, maybe I'll have to put this one down and take. I don't want to open that and leave it. So I'll enjoy this later. I don't want to eat and leave it. So let's leave this for now. And then we'll eat the other one. Or you want me to have a bite so that you know how it is? Okay. Let me bite it.
Excuse me. Bite it.
This one, I'll open it. This one is Yahoo. Okay, this is Yahoo. And this one is Dege. Okay, I'm getting the names right. This is the Dege. And this is Yahoo. If you are French, you know what Yahoo is. Yahoo. That's how it's called. Let's open and drink.
You finish all the things.
Yeah, it's very creamy. I like the taste. Okay, and then we bought this. This alewa. I don't know if you know about it, but this is called alewa. Today I saw it and I said no, I have to buy this. I really miss it. Let's taste it. Let's have one. This is the color. There are so many colors. Some are white and black. There are several colors. Some they are yellow. There is red. This is what I bought. This is the color I chose. And I remember that anytime you eat this, after eating, you have your tongue colored. Let's eat it. It's made of sugar. And it has some straw. It has some straw inside. So you hold it as you eat. It doesn't really hold it. Sometimes when you put it in your mouth, the straw just removes. But you just use it. You just hold it as you eat it. So let's have a bite. Are we biting or we are just putting everything in our mouth? Okay. Let's eat. Let's put everything in our mouth. No, let's have a bite. I don't want to eat everything now. Very crunchy. It's very hard. A lot of sugar. It's made of sugar, so it has a lot of sugar, and it's very sweet. Let me see. It's already coloring my tongue. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. We are also invited. Okay, so let's come to the end of this video. I think I've tasted all the snacks. I'll leave it here and enjoy all that I bought. Maybe later I'll buy some for you, but link me up if you need some. I'll send them to you. See you in the next video. Bye. Let's go back to see the snacks again, and then these are the snacks, all of them. Okay, So see you in the next video. Bye.